Hello viewers, welcome back to class. This is Master Builders Online Academy. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new in this page, and ensure that you turn on the post notification bell for more exciting videos, more exciting content. And don't forget also to share this video to your friends if you find this content helpful. And also don't forget that you must not skip any part of this video for your own benefit, guys. And don't forget also to avoid every unnecessary distraction. Then finally, if there be any part in this video you do not understand when you watch it for the very first time, please, you can replay the video over and over again till you understand it. Then if at the end of replaying the video and watching it over and over again, your question has still not been answered, then you can message us via our email that is documented at the description below, or better still, document your question at the comment section. We will attend to your question and also tell the world how we have added values to your life since you joined this community of impact makers. Now let's get started. On the board, we are asked to solve. Don't forget, we are still dealing with what? Exponential equations, right? Exponential indices. Now, we are asked to solve 8 minus 3 is equal to 32 x plus 3 all over 4 minus x. Now, don't forget that this is Indicia equation where you have the unknown as the power, right? And anytime you have the unknown as the power, you must make the base at both sides equal. And as such, you must have one base to the left and also one base to the right. Now, but when we look at the left, currently we have one base, but at the right hand side, we have two bases, which is 32 and 4. So what do? We must see how we can reduce the left hand side to have one base. But this question, there are two ways we can solve it. We are going to solve it one way. You can decide to solve with fraction or decide to cross multiply so that you can be working with on one line, avoiding fraction using two lines at a time. And me, I prefer that. So I can decide to say, okay, this is over 1, then I cross multiply. When we cross multiply, this would have given us 8 raised to the power x minus 3 multiplied by 4 minus x is equal to 32 x plus 3. I just make this linear. I don't want to be using fraction. You can still solve with fraction. At the end, you use the law of division. As well, you can also decide to split this and use division and have x raised to the power minus 4x. Clear it off this way. You can still decide to use that method. Are you there? But I just prefer to cross multiply. Alright? Yes, so you can convert this long division to this other division, whereby you now have 32 raised to the power x plus 3, then divided by this. But I prefer now to use it this way. So you can solve it the other way and see whether you are going to have the same answer. Of course, you will certainly have the same answer except you miss off something somewhere. Alright, now let's go. At this point now, in this case now, we now have two terms at the left hand side, while we now have one base at the right hand side. So let's quickly work on this. The first thing we will do now is for us to be able to multiply this by this, we will have them to be of the same base, right? There is no way I can multiply this with this if they are not of the same base. So I will need to convert them to have the same base. And the least base, all these numbers here can be is base 2. That will be their common base. Therefore, I will have 2. Now, 2 raised to the power 3 would have given us 8. So I will replace 8 with 2 raised to the power 3. Then the power is x minus 3. Multiplied by 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 2 will give us 4. Then we will have this 2 into minus x is equal to, therefore, 32. We are going to have 2 raised to the power 5 raised to the power what? X plus 3. It's as simple as this. All we need to do now is that at the left hand side, we can pick one of the base and sum up the power since the bases are what's connected with multiplication sign. Therefore, I will put down the first base. Now I can multiply out this first bracket. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times minus 3 is minus 9. Everything here is the power of the first base. Now, this multiplication sign turns to plus. The other base now becomes what? Minus 2x. 2 times minus x. Then equal to the right hand side, we'll put down to 5 times x will give us 5x, and 5 times 3 will give us 15. It's as simple as that. We can decide to simplify this before we cancel out the base. We can also decide to cancel out the base here. It's a matter of choice. Are we there? So now, let's reduce this before we cancel out the base. This would have given us 2 raised to the power 3x. Now guys, minus times plus will give us minus. So this will have given us minus x, then minus 9 is equal to 2 raised to the power 5x plus 15. Then at this point now, 3x minus 2x will have given us what? X minus 9 is equal to 2 raised to the power 5x plus 15. Now guys, what do we have here? We have equal base. And now when you have equal base, all you simply do is to cancel out the base and simply what? Equate the powers. And the powers here now would have given us x minus 9 is equal to plus 15. And what do we do? This is what linear equation. We simply connect like text. And this would have given us x. As plus 5 crosses, it becomes minus 5x. Then this is 15. And as minus 9 crosses from left to right, it becomes plus 9. Then finally, when we add this together, when we remove 5x from 1x, this will give us 4x. And when we add 9 to 15, this will have given us 24. All we just need to do now is to make the coefficient of x1 by dividing both sides by minus 4. Then we are going to have this to be what? 24 over minus 4. Then x is equal to now. Plus divided by minus is minus. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So the answer to this question is 6. Guys, for you to be able to validate whether you are correct, what you just need to do is anywhere you find x here, substitute in minus 6. And see that at the end, what you have at the left hand equals to what you have at the right hand. So guys, this is what I have for you guys today. Ensure that you study this stuff and that you understand this. Don't memorize it, write it, just when you understand it, you know it. Don't forget principles and keep that when you know it, you become master over some certain activities. Know the rules and the principles that are applicable to some practice that you be a master over that aspect. So for you to become a mathematician, then you need to be a person of rules, principles, and knowledge. So see you guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you have not done so, ensure that you turn on the notification bell for more exciting videos. We love you guys. Then